Stop drying out your pork loin. Today we're taking this lean cut and turning it into a juicy Italian-style stuffed roast on the grill. Crispy slices of pork belly outside, creamy sausage, leek and walnut stuffing inside. Let me show you how to do it, step by step. Would you try this Italian BBQ twist? Let me know in the comments. I'm a home cook from Italy, obsessed with fire, smoke and flavor. This is my Italian take on stuffed pork loin, cooked low and slow on the barbecue with cherry wood smoke. You don't need fancy gear, just patience and good ingredients. Let's start with the stuffing. Remove the casing from your sausage and place the meat in a bowl. Slice a leek into thin rings and add it in. Roughly chop a handful of walnuts. Don't go too fine, we want that crunchy bite. And mix everything together. This rich filling will keep our lean pork loin juicy all the way through. Tell me in the comments, what would you add to this stuffing? Cheese, herbs, something spicy? Now an Italian style seasoning. On a board, chop together salt, black pepper, garlic and fresh rosemary. This simple mix is classic Italian roast flavor and it works perfectly with pork and smoke. Carefully butterfly your pork loin, opening it up like a book. Spread the stuffing in an even layer all the way to the edges, so every slice gets flavor. Then roll it up tightly. The tighter you roll, the juicier the roast and the prettier the slices. If this looks complicated, it's really not. Pause the video here and take your time with this step. Season the outside of the roll with our Italian rub. Then lay out strips of bacon on your board, slightly overlapping. Place the loin on top and wrap it completely. The bacon will baste the pork as it cooks. Wrap everything tightly in plastic wrap to help the bacon stick and let it rest while we heat up the barbecue. Set your grill for indirect cooking at about 150 degrees Celsius or 302 Fahrenheit. For an extra Italian-style elegance, I'm using cherry wood pellets for a gentle, sweet smoke. Insert a temperature probe into the center of the loin. Target temperature is 65 degrees Celsius, around 149 Fahrenheit. Don't go higher or this lean cut will dry out. What's your favorite wood for pork? Cherry, apple, hickory? Drop it in the comments. Our target temp is reached, so it's time to pull it off. Look at that slices of pork belly color. That deep red comes from the cherry smoke. Let it rest for a few minutes, then slice in. Juicy pork, creamy sausage and leek crunch from the walnuts, and that Italian garlic and rosemary perfume. This is not your usual pork loin. Try this Italian stuffed version for your next family dinner or barbecue party and tell me how it goes. If you enjoyed this Italian BBQ recipe, hit like and subscribe for more BBQ and beyond recipes. I share what works, what fails, and everything I learn along the way. And if you want more juicy pork, check out the next video on your screen.